I'm gonna get this part back on video. This is me wading through the water. Way back to the back of the building. Let's just not drop my boots. I got my keys. Yeah. Okay. I think there's a step here. God, I hope there's no glass in this water. Or poop. And the water, I think, continues to rise. I'm a little worried. Maybe I should move my other vehicle. Oh, that felt disgusting. It was very squishy. I don't think it's poop. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover with Margaret, I think. Oh. Terrible. Oh. Ow. Ouch. I'm gonna have mud all over. Kim's gonna kill me. Okay, there's a big patch of mud here. And a parking lot that's usually filled with broken glass. So, we'll see how my feet fare when I get to my building. And my umbrella is now flipped again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. Seems to continue to rise. Let's get another peek over here, maybe. Carry my boots a different way. This hurts. Seems the wind is picking up. There are people standing there in parachute pants, it looks like. That's crazy. Is the water still rising? I know, but it's not rising still, is it? Yeah. Insurance nightmare. There's the emergency crews working on the other side of the deluge. There's the sewage. Or storm drains. I don't think they can link them to the sewage anymore, but this is what I was wading through. There's that truck still floating. I can't seem to focus on it because of the wind. Alright, now I got both hands on the camera. Keep an eye on it. I'll come out and check again in about 20 minutes to make sure that my other car is not sucked under the water. This is terrible. Worst Saskatchewan weather ever. Except for the blizzards. I'd rather have this than a blizzard. Damn it, you wind. What's it doing? That is not intelligent. At all. And I think it stalled already. That is wild. I want to voice over this. It's the worst narrative in the history of narratives this guy's going to jump to. Radio. Yep. No, he doesn't want to be caught on video doing it. Alright, I won't catch him on video doing it. Those must be some of these wild guys.